Today's tutorial is going to be how you can add an image or insert an image into another image using Photoshop. So what I'm going to be using is just the one solid black background image, and then I'm going to use a transparent image. So first of all, I'm going to open up this image here, solid background. And basically, I'm going to show you two ways on how you could add another image to this particular image. So the first way is once you have the image open, you could go to your File Explorer. In this case, I'm using a Windows PC. I don't know the Mac, but I'm sure it's a similar procedure. So if I go here and I go to my File Explorer, and if I drag and drop this image into here, watch what happens. It's a transparent image, so that means I was able to now insert or move this image on top of this image, and I could do anything I want with it at this point. So that's one way that you could do it. Another way is I'm going to go ahead and delete this. I'm going to now open up my other transparent image. So I'm going to go to File, Open, and let's see, scroll down. Let's open this one, the same image. Okay, now I have both these images open. Now the other way that I could do this is if I go ahead up here, these are two individual tabs up here on the top left up here. So if I click on either one, it just cycles through tabs to the next image that I have open. So basically what I want to do is I want to put these two images next to each other in two individual window tabs, let's say. So what the way that you could do it in Builderall is you grab the one image, left click on it, and drag it down into your work area. So it creates a separate window tab here. Now you want to do the same thing with the other image that you have here. I'm going to drag it and I'm going to plop it over here so you can put them side by side. Now what you want to do is I want to move this image on top of here. So the way that you do that is make sure this is the current tab that you have selected, and now I want to use the move tool. So I click on that, and now I come over to this image, left click on it, and drag it into this image. And that's what happens. So that's another way that you could do it. But as you can see, there's another step that you have to take at this point if you're going to do it this way. So I'm going to maximize this tab. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Control T, which is a shortcut for transform. Control T. As you can see, there's a border around here, so I could drag this image any way I want to. See it moving? So I'm going to resize this. Okay, so we could grab all corners of this image here. I'm holding down the Shift key as I drag it open over. I'm going to grab this little, okay. So as you can see, that's another way that you could put another image on top of another image. So I just want to make it proportional. So let's minimize this or resize it. So that's the second way that you could put another image on top of another image using Photoshop. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you today. and come back often because I'm going to be doing more tutorials as I learn more about the Photoshop application. So please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification because that's very important. So if you do that, you're always going to be notified when I upload a new tutorial. Again, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.